everyone. This video is about how to create a gang sheet in Canva. Now, if you're searching for this, if you're looking at it, you probably already know a gang sheet is like this. It's a really long piece of document usually, and it's usually 22 inches. The height can be 20 feet, 7 feet, 10 feet, it depends, but the width is usually 22 inches. And it's a collection of different elements. It could be the same elements repeated, or it could be different elements. And it's really easy to create this in Canva. So we will see this in like a few quick steps. So you go to your Canva page, and then you just create a design, and you have to put the size as 22 inches. So we just go to custom size over here. Make sure your units are set to inches. Then you do 22, and I'm just going to do 60 here just to keep my file shorter, but you can obviously do any size that you want. All right, now we have the size, this document here, and I'm going to look at elements. Just going to look for quickly some, I just put stickers for now. So this one, this one, this one to keep the theme. Here, stickers, maybe this one. So just a bunch of them, and then you can take all of them. Remember, your file may be a little bit heavy because you have so many elements over here, and they're all a little bit, like the size of the file is very big. So let's just put it here somehow. Let's put this one, this one, this one, this one. By the way, I'm pressing Alt, so it's easier to copy. I just want to align them a little bit nicely. So just like that. That's how we aligned here and to left vertically. So now they look nice, and just put them here. I will just do a copy of this and put it here, and there you go. Just put a little bit more in the center, so that, I just want to keep a nice margin over here. Depending on your printer, your DTF printer, you might need to put more margin or less. I have some related posts on how to change margins and how to add margins and bleed and crop marks, etc. So you can check those out as well. But for now, I'm just going to put it in the middle like that. And now I want to print them. And here is the tricky part. So you just have to download it as a file, as a PNG file with a transparent background. Now remember, you can only do this in Canva Pro. So if you don't have that, then just go ahead and get it. Of course, I have a link in the description as well about getting transparent backgrounds. But otherwise, if you have it, then great. So you just go to PNG, transparent background. As you can see, it's put here as a crown, so it's Canva Pro. Compressed files, you can make it lower quality. I would not make it lower quality. I would actually keep it high quality, right? It might take longer than usual to download, but you will get a very high quality image, which is what you need because your file size is pretty big. So you just do PNG, transparent background, and then you download this file as a PNG, and then that's it. Now you just send it off to your DTF printer. If they have some more requirements, of course, you can figure that out in Canva. As I said, if you have margins and bleed and crop marks, but overall, all you have to do is just put in your elements, position them the way you want, just go to share and download it as a PNG with transparent background. And that's it. That's how you create a DTF gang sheet in Canva.